Welcome back to O2B Technologies. Today, we're exploring how Odoo 19 makes project management smarter and faster. For this client, let's create a project. We'll just select one of the templates we made, adapt the title, and just like that, the right tasks are added automatically, with the right stages and right people assigned to them. And here's another AI feature you'll like. You can create all the automations you need. Choose the action type, pick the field you want, and add your customized prompt with all the necessary information. Here, we want our opportunities to be assigned automatically to the right expert. And just like that, we say goodbye to manual assigning. And the best part, you can do this for any action in your workflow. Let's go to the calendar view of our project. Here we see the tasks that still need to be scheduled. We can just drag and drop on the correct day, and there you go. Finally, our colleagues can start working on this project. They can easily log in multiple timesheets by setting up the details and adding the timesheets to any day they like. That's how Odoo 19 makes project management simple and efficient. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video from O2B Technologies.